How to fix Google Meet audio issues when presenting screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps, and now click apps again, and now type here Meet and click on it. First thing you need to do here is to click permissions and give it all of those permissions here, and after that just scroll down and here we'll find draw over other apps. Make sure it's enabled, maybe we'll find it like that, just enable it and then go back, restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.